Hi everyone, VentorTech is in touch, and today we are going to move one entire package from one location to another one. So we are not going to scan all the items inside this package or pallet, whatever we want. We just scan the package and completely move it from one location to another. Let's do it. So to do this, we need to choose the box we want to move. Here we are. So it's a nice box with a barcode on the side with a lot of teas inside, flower teas. So and for this we are going to use an internal transfer menu. So we are going to scan only the box to completely move everything inside this box to another location. Whatever you want, like from one shelf to another one, from one location to another location across your warehouse. So let's open the internal transfer. So there are multiple fields like source location, packages, products, etc. But we are going to scan only the package. So here we see that this package was on the shelf 2, right? And package number is, you can see it on the screen, 204931. So now, instead of scanning the product inside, if you want to move just one product out of the box, you can do this. But we are going to move entire package here. So we are going to scan just the location to where we want to move it. It will be bin 2 or bin 2 here. Yeah, it's empty and available. So now all unoperated fields are disappearing. So we see only like we're going to move the package 204931 from shelf 2 to shelf 2 bin 2. And this is it. So the only thing I need to do is click on confirm button, and this is it. So like complete package with all items inside will be moved from one location to another one. So package only one, I'm clicking confirm. The package was moved, and let's do this just to not mess up everything at the warehouse. So how we can check if it's really was moved? So let's go back to the Quick Info, open it and scan the package barcode. So if you scan in the package barcode, you can see everything that's inside this package. So like everything is what is inside this, like 1, 2, 3, 4 packages inside. So when it was completely moved to bin 2 at shelf 2, right, as we wanted. As simple as that. So now you know how to move items from one location to another one without scanning everything inside. If you need a professional help in inventory management, etc., so feel free to ask VentorTech, we'll help you. And if you want to move items just as I did, please do not forget to use a Ventor PRO, a real professional solution for your inventory management if you're using Odoo. If you have any questions or comments, please go here in YouTube and leave your comments there, so we'll answer everything. If you need any help in Odoo implementation, we would love to help you. See you next time. Bye.